Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? It's the 6th of April. Got unemployment claims today. It's actually going on as we speak. Pretty much looking just to let this kind of play out. Really don't have a bias on this.
Still?
Yeah,
How many pages got left?
30.
Break time.
Good luck and out.
I passed.
Right now, buy one of your faves and get another for only $1. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
All right, folks. I'll be right back. I'll be probably like back in I'd say about 7:55. Taking a few things around the house, taking some peeks, but yep. Just kind of patient right now. We'll probably get into something here later on. Yo, what's up, chat? Sorry about that. Was away for a little bit. How is everybody feeling today? If anybody's gone or anything like that, it's the full week of unemployment claims. This is what's going down right now with unemployment claims for gold. We're just pretty much trending bearish at this point. We're nearing the support, so something we got to look out for. This is the hourly time frame here. <coughs> 6 a.m. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry if I blew anybody's eardrums out right there. Sorry about that. Alright, let's take a look here. Vishal, man, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. See what's going on, pound yen. Pound yen is forming a support. See how big this range is, honestly. This range is actually something, a little bit like 30 pips. We might take a position on this support, but to be honest, we'll just have to be patient. See. Yeah, I mean, it is technically 30 pips, so we have a previous resistance right there, though. Hey, yo, Vishal, if you're still there, bro, how you doing, bro? Let me know how you feeling. I'd like to know how you feeling. Everybody can come and see my YouTube stream and know that I'm doing just fine, feeling good, and every day I'm ready to just try and do better for myself. And hope everybody holds that same type of mentality for themselves every single day. This is kind of anticipating price to kind of go, potentially looking to enter upon a sell, to be honest, on the retracement. But part of me does almost like to consider taking that buy position on the, just scalp the support play up. That's always not a bad idea. But I feel like the retracement plays are a little bit more, have a higher probability, because sometimes with supports, they may not just. Sometimes they don't always hold. Obviously, you have to wait for confirmation, but even then, I've had times where I wait for confirmation. It just depends, it's got to be in the right moment. So, trying to play this best I can. So lately, I've been trying to better myself with trading on lower time frames here on gold and scalping from lower time frames and stuff like that, and obviously using the higher time frames like 30 minutes, hourlies, in confluence with that. Um, Obviously that 5 minutes started closing bullish, and I started thinking, wow, what a could be an entry. I started thinking that, but then I was like, I remember like every time I'm looking at the 30, the hourly, everything else, 15, everything's bearish. So I'm like, I gotta remember the times I have seen those 5 minute plays go in profits is because like all the other candles before that were all trending the same direction with that. And so that's something I just gotta make sure I'm always paying attention to, because especially with gold, like when everything's trending the correct way, I'm not gonna lie, these 5 minute entries can be relatively easy and be like surprisingly extremely profitable, but you have to like really know it's in a certain time, and that's it. Other than that, you can really get burnt. And this is a moment where I'm glad I was just like I held back, because clearly that 5 minute support is not holding. And that's the thing with 5 minute candles. Obviously, they're weaker candles, so you can't just be like, "Oh, this is a true support," because clearly it hasn't. It's not truly a support. I like to say 30-minute time frames give you like a pretty decent understanding to I'm not gonna say it's super strong, but it's definitely strong enough to get a good understanding where market structure like to go. And then on, you know what I'm saying, 30-minute hour, 4 hour, you know, and up obviously gets stronger and stronger. But as a scalper, I gotta make sure, you know, I like to play the lower time frames a bit. I can find some opportunities within them. Looking from the 4 hour and hourly, you know, it definitely helps my bias. We have been trading super bullish, but it's just that daily is very, very bearish. We have a super weak bullish, and we are like all-time highs. So I think I'm leaning more towards sells relatively at this point. You know, I mean, that's kind of what I would have to imagine because our dailies. Let's check our weekly. Clearly, the weekly. I mean, obviously, we were trading bullish as hell this week, so that's not a surprise. Monthly closing bullish, so can't say I wouldn't be surprised if gold tried to potentially, you know, fill this wick again for this month. Feel like I could see it, and if not this month, maybe the next month. So overall, buys are like kind of what you're looking to do. Yeah, this is like perfect way it looks. This should look like it could continue easily into the next week. Daily though is bearish. So we are playing today. So if we're playing today, so far it's bearish. 4 hours bearish. And breaking some pretty critical lows here. Have pretty much clean traffic past this, so if this hourly can close underneath here, that would be pretty sweet. Obviously, we have to be careful here. We could easily form a support, but ooh, now that I'm seeing that, I mean, we could melt, guys. But we gotta wait, because honestly, the retracement play could easily happen. So honestly, I'm definitely being patient today. Looking to get this position, to be honest. I really want this. Oh, I'm finna delete all this. What the fuck? And currently, right now, guys, what I'm doing is trying to just break down top top to bottom, from higher time frame to lower time frame. I already have a bias in mind, and I'm looking to share that with you guys here in a minute. So I'm having some kind of tough ideas right now at the moment, chat. We have a very clean range to the left. We got to be ready for a nice sell, but at the same time, we are at a current support right now, and we do have to be relatively delicate with this situation because we could start forming support, completely change the bias, right? But we are so close to a very, very nice. I mean, we have clean traffic, right? I mean, this could be the start of a really nice play here. We got 14 minutes. I was just debating if basically I want to start trading with the lower time frames or keep with the higher time frames. I'm relatively gonna keep my eye on the lower time frame, but ultimately I want to enter off the 30-minute. So it's kind of where I'm at with that. And the reason why I'd prefer to enter off the 30-minute time frame, just to get a better confirmation. Personally, I feel a little bit more confident with those candles. And at the end of the day, the 15-minute candle, I'm trying to just understand what I was about to tell you guys. Really, with the 15-minute candle, I just you should be careful with it. It's pretty risky, and depending on how this 30-minute candle closes, what's going to give us our bias. Obviously, I feel like if we close above this candle here, we start trading above, basically we start trading above 2011. At that point, gonna just refrain from taking any type of sell position. But to be honest, the sales do seem very, very nice. But it's like I feel like the retracement plays gotta happen, you know? I mean, we're about to be pushing 100 pips. Not that gold can't push like 200 pips, you know, in a morning, right? It's not like it hasn't done that before, but uh, you know, how much does price want to exhaust? That's really the question. And being delicate with understanding that a support can be formed, and when that support is formed, I mean, that would definitely invalidate the sales for sure, especially on the 30-minute time frame. I would look to close full or close partial for sure to try and mitigate risk. But I mean, my opinion right now is breaking past that, right? The 4 hour, I believe, as well is bearish, and the daily's bearish, right? We might be able to get a range wick all the way down here, and then probably pull back up, and daily will probably close somewhere relatively around here, right? It's kind of something I'm anticipating. We might get a nasty range wick, be able to get our sells, but we'll see, because that's just like off speculation, but ooh. It's like personally, I want to sell this. Okay, for instance, if this candle closed how it is here, I'd want to sell this for sure. I like how the candle's closing below this previous support. You know, I think I would like to take that risk at that point because maybe we don't even start forming a retracement play. You know, that's definitely a possibility. And then I entirely missed the whole drop down, right? don't want to end up doing that. And I think for that reason, I would want to enter if the candle does close below this support. If it doesn't, clearly I'm like to hold. So I think that is going to be the bias in what I'm looking to do. We have 9 minutes, so we still got a good amount of time. Stop losses are probably going to be pretty big. Especially if it just keeps continuing, you know. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, make sure my magic keys is pretty much ready too. Oh shit. There we go. Something like that. And honestly, we can have stop losses pretty big. In person, I'm going to. So my stop loss will be at 1990. Or my take profit, not my stop loss. Whew. Saying this shit ass backwards. 1990.64. Wow. This would be a far stretch, right? But with gold, I mean, you really can easily be a possibility. So guys, if it closes kind of how it is right now, we still have a possibility, still a chance. If it closes, let me get this straight. Basically, if we close above this little box here, I don't want it. If price, that red line is above that top of that little gray box, I'm not gonna take the sell position. Just gonna chill. Let's go take a look at pound yen. So pound yen's forming support. Pretty choppy price action in here. So I mean, you could take a buy right here, right? I mean, buys could be potential here on the support. We have been respecting the support for quite some time, so could be a profitable position, right? But I think I'm gonna take my chances today with gold. Honestly, don't know if I want to risk a 3% trade today. To be honest, I don't know if I want to do that. Might want to just risk. It's tough. It's tough. I don't know. Do I want to risk 3% this today? Or do I want to risk 1.5%? So when that time comes here, I gotta bring this guy right here. If we close above this guy, I don't want it. See, like that, we don't want that. At that point, I'm waiting for support to be formed. So we're really gonna have to see. And with NYSE coming into play, it's got me thinking. So in the, let me take a look at pound yen a little deeper. I got 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take a look at pound yen a little deeper, because if it closes like this, we're not entering the sells. 100%. I'm not taking that risk at that point. Now this, I might take a risk on that, but I want to get a better look at it. So I got 5 minutes to make this decision. So I got 4 minutes and 20 seconds to make this decision. So let's go back to pound yen. Because at this point, I'd rather take the risk on this position rather than the other. So we got 4 minutes. I'm trying to see what's our next. Hold on. Whoa. So there's that, right? How far off is that? It's only 17 pips. How big is this range even? 3 minutes. And in 3 minutes, that gold play could come back to us, to be honest. So 30 pips total with the range. I mean, it's not bad. From here to here, so that is the range. Let me just double check. 30 pips is pretty good. Yeah, about 30 pips. So that's not bad. So I mean, if we hold this, maybe, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get the position ready. Open count. Okay, once we got about like maybe 30 seconds, I'm gonna go back to my trading view. Once we get about 30 seconds, I'm gonna make an ultimate decision here. 13 seconds will give me about a good frame. I can look at it from this point, and be like, okay, I got a little bit of time left, and then watch it from then on, and then see if I can get my entries. Let's just double check the hourly though. I want to make sure I'm looking at all my time frames. I don't want to be blind to something. So let's get my hourlies for me in that. I ain't gonna lie, pound yen's looking kind of the move here. Two minutes. Ooh. The anxiety. Alright. I probably will take just one position for sure. I was thinking about maybe doing 2 positions on pound yen, but honestly, hold on, my bias might change here in a second. If this candle closes bearish, we're not entering clearly, but if it does, I like it to be a little stronger than that though. Yeah, something a little bit like that. I like it to close like that. I wouldn't want it to close too weak and make me kind of not want to buy it. But we will see. We will see. I was thinking about taking a twin trade on this and risking the full 3%, but we still have a potential we could form a support on the gold, trade up, form a resistance, and then that will be the time I will take the sell position to the downside. 58 seconds, guys. And gold is coming back relatively, so 58 seconds. Wow. What to do, what to do. 37 seconds. Gold's going back up again. It's like right there though. "22 seconds. Coming back too. This is really tough to be honest. 8 seconds. Okay, 8 seconds. I think we're just sticking with our pound yen. It's a super minor bullish, but we're just gonna take it. That's a super small stop loss. I haven't had stop loss that small in a while. So risk management, guys. I think if we go about -9 pips, I'll probably end up closing -9, 10 pips. We might just close full. Do not want that to break those. I don't want to break that liquidity wick of that bullish candle there, but it looks like that's what we're heading towards. It seems like at the moment. We're just gonna have to play it by ear. We just to react off what happens. Yeah, it's broke that. I'm just gonna close right there, to be honest. No need to get burnt super bad on anything. So great thing here. This did exactly what we was expecting. At this point, did not close below. We are starting to form support. Fortunately for pound yen, super weak, but bullish candle. That's all I can really say at this point. It's really weak. And personally, I didn't want to hold it any past that. As soon as it started breaking the liquidity wick of that bullish candle, it was just smart enough just to cut the loss short at that point. Unfortunately, we did take a loss there, so it is what it is. But still looking forward to this position here on gold. Unfortunately, with pound yen, it just is what it is. Something to pay attention to maybe for my next trade is definitely understand that this candle here was formed very weak bullish, and something you just have to be very careful for. I am glad I ended up closing though. Man, thank God we did not make a twin trade. That would have been rough. I'd be like, wow, should have been patient. Cause this gold honestly looks like super nice trade coming up. Gotta make sure I update this to my Discord. It's basically like a trading journal, pretty much. Uh, damn. I mean, definitely sucks, but can't be mad. So definitely for here, we're waiting for a retracement play. I feel like this is definitely the move for today. It's honestly gonna require a lot of patience from me, but Glaciers, bro, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Um, was pretty much interested here. I'm really interested on a retracement play, retracement sell position here on gold. It's gonna require a lot of patience though before we can get that. Uh, here on pound yen, I did take a loss, man. To be honest, I took a loss here. I took a buy here on the super small close of the support. You know, I thought it'd be a good idea, to be honest, about 30 pip range. We have respected the support again before. I thought, you know, we were rejecting quite a bit. This next 30-minute candle did close in support, but something I always got to remember is pretty weak close of that bullish support, right? I mean, very, very weak candle, weaker than the bearish candle before it. So probably would have been a better sign just to stay a little bit more patient. And you know, I didn't stay patient, and I have no regrets to that. I feel good with taking this loss. I ended up cutting it shorter than I anticipated. So really not terrible, but like I said, guys, you know, always like I'm gonna repeat it every single day. I'm really working on my consistency. I want to be 100%. Have like a not me. I love to see myself 100%, but on a realistic note, more like an 80% to 75% win rate. Um, you know, I feel like I'm kind of more on like a 55 to maybe a 60. You know, and I really want to improve that 100%. I mean, who wouldn't? But positions like this ain't gonna help that. So this is something I'm updating to the Discord here later on. But in regards to that though, definitely would like to take a sell on gold, but just gotta find the right entry. And haven't been able to do so. And honestly, there might be, I mean, depending, I mean, I'd love to catch it on stream personally, but like, if I do make, obviously, I'm gonna update my YouTube, everybody to like, catch everybody up to speed, like, what happened, what XYZ. Yeah, man, bro, start it up, bro. You know what I'm saying? More power to you, dog. You know, just get some equipment, man. Get your stuff together, you know, and get you a little setup, bro, and start streaming, dog. You know, that's what this is about, you know. Um, you know, as we got over here, it's been pretty interesting. Sheesh. 10%. That's fire. Yeah, I gotta look into that. I gotta look into that for sure. A stream trade journal to track your trades, taking on your streams. Let me know. I will hit you up with one. Yeah, bro, go ahead, bro. Hit me up with one. I want to see what you're talking about more. That'd be lit. Ooh, there's where it goes on flood. Holy crap, is this the push? Did I just miss it? Cause that's the impulsive entry right there. Oh my goodness. Damn, damn, damn. Should have been paying attention, boy. This is my entry right here. This is the impulsive entry I was kind of waiting on. Goddamn. I totally just missed it. Oh, trust me, bro. I'm already knowing, bro. I've been waiting for this play right here and in general, dog. So I'm kind of like, oof, I should have been paying attention. It looks so different. My Forex broker to that. It's completely different. This is a super nice drop too. Damn, man, this is what I wanted. I think it's just exhausting too much at this point for me to enter. But it look mad different though. But the thing is, probably just looks mad different, but it's still same pips. Yeah, it's still same pips. That's huge. Damn, guys, I can't even enter that, man. That's irritating. I wish I was more focused right there, dude. What the fuck was I thinking? Yeah, shit probably gonna flood down at this point. I don't know. I don't know, guys. To be honest, I don't wanna. I'm not gonna enter off FOMO at this point. That was my entry. Son of a gun. Oh, definitely gonna end the stream after that one. Shit. Is what it is, man. Is what it is. That definitely was, man, I was sitting here paying attention to my Discord and shit. I should pay attention to that shit afterwards. That's crazy. That's crazy how fast that mud pump. I saw that shit at the corner of my eye. I was looking at Discord and all of a sudden I look back. There goes my entry. I was like, God damn. Was anticipating more of a retracement play to be honest, but I was ready for the impulsive entry, especially because this was a key level for it to break, and it broke that 2008 level, and boom, starts going down. Right, obviously it looks like it's starting to form support, but really I'm not tripping about this. If it comes up any slightest, really, I mean, if your entry was here, your stop loss is like way up here, so you're chilling. There's no, I feel like this is coming down. You know, at least to 1990, or even maybe before that. You know, maybe 1993. But at the end of the day, it's definitely coming down, and is what it is. You know, I'm holding back. I'm holding back. I ain't gonna do anything stupid. It's not yet. Not, is what it is. But hey, Glacius, bro. 100%, dude. Send me that stream trade journal, bro. Yeah, within a couple days, bro. That's fine, bro. Just give me like an idea what it's like. I think I might see something that Raha does something like that. It's like he uses a website or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but I gotta look more into that stuff. I feel like it would be very beneficial. But shit, guys. My apologies for not being able to capitalize on anything major today. We did take one trade on the stream today, and definitely wasn't the move. Glad I was able to cut that short. Missed the impulse of entry here on gold. Not something I'm proud about, but something I just have to accept and move on from. Damn, man. Damn. Is what it is. Anyways, folks, have a great day, guys. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow for sure. Let's take a look at what we got for tomorrow, though, in regards to news. It's been very, a lot of political things going on. It's been pretty interesting. Yo, yeah, so, wow, dude, this has been nuts. We have nothing, unemployment claims today, unemployment rates tomorrow. We have NFP tomorrow. NFP is going to be crazy. So, you know. Yeah, Trixie. I'm so weak, Trixie. uh, there's this dude at my work, and this one dude we just, yep, NFP, buddy. Yeah, man, come on, Glacius, let's get it, buddy. Hey, I'd like to see you tapping back in, man. If you make any trades, brother. Also, I opened up another section for anybody that does swing trades. You know, let's make it look to be a good Friday. And either way, it's a good Friday because as long as you're risking a certain percentage, even if we take a loss, you know what I mean, it's what it is. And the shitty part is with high news events and stuff like this, you know, the only thing is we look to take our you know, for me it's a 1.5, everybody else is different, but for me, one position for me is 1.5%. When it's high volatility news, I do have to understand that there's gonna be slippage. So I might be risking like 2%, maybe 2.5 on one position because of slippage. Slippage can just smoke you, and nothing you can really do about it. So it's one of those things I kind of keep that in the back of my head. But the beautiful thing is, every time you take a trade, no matter if it's a losing trade or not, as long as you were confident in your decision and you felt good about it, I feel like you're only gonna learn. You're only gonna get experience that way, and if the trade goes in your direction, I mean, with these high volatility news events, I mean, you can be extremely profitable. So. Um, Looking to see how this goes. So guys, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Glacius, bro, thank you so much for tapping in too, bro. I appreciate all your inputs, man. Anytime you want to post something in here, bro, I got it all free for you to post up in the Discords. Yeah, been actually amazing. Actually amazing. Yeah, bro, and I understand, bro, too. If you got your own Google Sheets and stuff like that, 100%, I definitely understand, like, you know, um, it's kind of hard to keep up on all of them because I can't sit here and be like, oh, I'm amazing at keeping up on my end too, because I post my charts as well. Sometimes I post them a day after because it's just like, you know, everybody's got stuff they got to take care of in their daytime, XYZ. Not that I'm making an excuse. I definitely need to make sure that I post these right after my stream. And it's one of those things that, you know, it's just life, you know what I'm saying? Life be hitting you, bro, so it's not a big deal, dog. I'm not tripping, but it definitely does feel good to see, you know, more people kind of coming in here and you know, posting their analysis in here, because a lot of these people in this Discord here, besides you and a few others, you know, I kind of feel like got in here more in regards to seem like you know, like what's it called, signals. And to be honest, that's not my service I'm trying to provide. You know, I don't feel like most people learn too much off signals. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, for sure. All right, buddy. Well, anyways, have a great day. We'll be back NFP tomorrow, man. Let's get to it.